Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make Diwali special DIY. So here I have two transistors of BC548 NPN transistors in which due to BC series, the right hand side's first leg is emitter, the middle one is base and the side one is collector. So here I am opening the legs. Here we have to join the emitters of both the transistors. So this is how it will look like. Now here I have two capacitors which are of 22 microfarad. It is also written on its side. When you are buying a capacitor, the longer leg is the positive one and the shorter one is the negative one. So here we have to join the positive leg with the collector of the one of the transistor and the negative leg with the base of the second transistor. We will follow the same procedure with our second capacitor, and this is how it will look like. Now here I have two LEDs which are transparent LEDs of green color. I am using transparent LEDs for high focus, in which the longer leg is the positive one and the shorter one is the negative leg. Here I am going to join the positive legs of both with each other and also the negative one with each other. You can see how I am joining their legs. So this is how it will look like. Here I have another batch of two LEDs, but these are of red colors, and I'm going to follow the same procedure, and this is how both of them will look like. Now I'm going to join one of the batch of the LEDs with the collector of the transistor with the negative leg of that batch. We will follow the same process with our other batch of LEDs with the other transistor. If you want detailed videos about these types of components and projects, so please don't forget to comment in the comment section #electronics. To join the positives of both the batch of LEDs with each other. You can see how I am joining them. So this is how it will look like. So here we have two resistances in which one is of 150k and the other one is of 120k. We can also use different values of resistances between 100k to 200k. So here we have to join one end of the resistance at the positive side, which is at the LED, and the other end at the base of the transistor. We have to follow the same procedure for the other resistance. You can see how am I joining them. After joining all the components, we need to see is there any wire which is touching with each other, because it creates more chances of short circuiting and damaging. So this is how our final circuit will look like. So here I have a battery clip whose wires I have already stripped, and I'm going to join the black wire with the negative point because the black wire is negative wire, and also joining a bit of red one which is the positive one. I haven't joined it properly because I'm going to check that if the circuit is working or not. So here you can see that the circuit is working. So here I have already joined all the wires properly and now putting hot glue on them so that the chances of short circuiting will be prevented. So let's check it again, and here it's working again. It looks good. So here I have a transparent sheet on which I am going to print panel design. I will show you how. Here I am using a software named Inkscape. This is an open source software and you can use it free of cost. So here I have already opened a new document and using the create rectangular tool to create a rectangle. In the dimension box, I am going to give its dimension. I have given its dimension 83 by 53. You can see. After that, I am going to use the text tool to add text. I have already texted a text and using white color, which should be parallel text. And I'm adjusting its background to let it be balanced. And this is how it looks like. Now here I am using this tool to make the image mirror so that I can print this image in mirror. Now I'm going to print it. So this is how our final panel design will look like. I have already cut a piece and here I have an acrylic sheet and I'm going to adjust our panel design. Side of our acrylic sheet. After that, here I have an old waste box in which I'm going to assemble my panel. Waste box will work as a cabinet, and here I'm going to put it here, and this is how it will look like. And here I have a 9-volt battery and I am going to attach it there with the help of hot glue gun. So now after attaching it, here's our circuit, and I'm also going to attach it here accordingly. You can see how. So here I have already attached my circuit and I also have attached the tape here, masking tape, so that our letters will have a clear shape, and this is how it will look like. So this is our final piece after decoration. It's looked great. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.